iPods. So I just got this 5th gen 60 gig one. My camera doesn't want to focus, but it says 60 gig. I just got this 60 gig iPod for $35. This is actually my 4th iPod I have, and I got it like an hour ago. Wanna know something else? It's not a 60 gig. The seller told me that there's an 80 gig 5.5 gen hard drive in this 5th gen, not 5.5, 60 gig one. And he just said that the battery doesn't work, which I haven't tested it. Got my cable here. Yeah, it just says please wait, very low battery. This thing just needs a new battery, but I don't have one. And I just want to test it out today. I'm not gonna do like flash modding, even though I want to flash mod this. So we're gonna try it out with this battery. This is an old Nokia battery I put to a 5th gen BMS, and it works. I'm not gonna demonstrate you with this one, even though we are gonna try it. I'm gonna demonstrate it to you with this one, which is a 30 gig one. The hard drive is dead. I think actually the battery was fine, but I didn't trust it. It was kind of swollen. The lighting is absolutely horrible. Just gonna plug it in, and see, it works perfectly fine. Yeah, it works. It just has the sad iPod face, which says a dead hard drive. But this thing doesn't have a dead hard drive. At least the seller told me that. It has dead battery. We're just gonna put this battery and this iPod and see if it works. I don't have one of those like opening tools that is thin enough, so I'm gonna do something, and it's probably not gonna be the best idea. Pocket knife. I've opened like 5 or 6 iPods at this point with a pocket knife, no worries at all. Also, this thing has already been opened, so yeah. Just gonna pick it. This. Oh, it opens really easily. There we go. Oh. I didn't put my knife. Oh, I don't know if you can actually see that. I didn't put my knife there. I was just on this side, and this thing came off. I can replace it with the back from this 30 gig iPod. It works perfect. It works perfectly fine. Oh. Okay. That way. Okay, the battery is still connected. And we're in. This thing I think is an actual factory battery, and this should be the 80 gig drive. So, why not put our own battery inside and see what happens? Alright, with the janky battery now, I'm just gonna loosely close it up, and I'm gonna plug it to power. It's not a PC, it's just an old power bank, because I don't think this battery has enough charge to boot it up actually. Wait. Oh, we got an Apple logo. I can hear the drop. Oh, the screen is not good. Oh! I booted up. Let's go. So, I think it's been wiped, which is fine, but English? It works. The screen has these black things, which I think is normal actually. I can just take the screen out and use a spudger. Let's see if it's really an 80 gig drive. Oh yeah, it is an 80 gig drive. T61's iPods. And it's Windows formatted, meaning I can plug it in. Well, this thing works. I don't know if it actually pushes sound out of it though. It is restored as I saw it, and there's 0 songs on it. So now I just need to plug it into my PC and see what happens then. I'm gonna take the thing. Ah, it says it's fully charged, which is almost fully charged, which is, I don't know. The cable doesn't reach to my PC, so the iPod's gonna kind of have to be off the frame, which is, I don't know. Alright, we got iTunes on the PC. We're just gonna plug. Oh, there is this thing. Oh, that's fine. We're gonna plug this thing into the PC. See what happens. Oh! It says do not disconnect. The brightness just lowered. Oh no, that was not good. It said USB device not recognized on my PC. Oh, I think it's frozen actually. Okay. Let's reboot it. It's kinda there, but we're just gonna reboot it. Come on. Okay, it's back. Let's try again. Okay. Now it's actually flashing the red thing. But iTunes still doesn't pick anything up. I mean, I don't know if you can see it on the iPod, but there is just like this spinning circle up here, which means it's syncing. And this is flashing. Which, I don't know, I mean, I used to have a 4th gen, but that would like instantly sync to my PC. This does not. That's not good. Oh. I hate autofocus. Yeah, that's the thing I'm talking. Oh, it stopped. No, it's back in. Does my PC even pick this up like an iPod? Oh. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's try again. Out. Okay. And now back in. Oh no. And now back in. Oh, I can't find the dock. I said back in. Okay. Oh, that did not. Okay. It's still doing the same thing. Damn it. Alright. We have another solution. My laptop. So we want to update iTunes. I'm not doing that right now. See. Let's see if it will pick up the iPod. Please pick it up. Come on. Don't do the same thing. Oh, okay. The iPod. Oh, never mind. There we go. I didn't see the do not disconnect. It seems to be actually staying here. There we go. T61's iPod. Oh! Hey, there we go. See? 80 gigs. So, I'm guessing there is nothing on here. I mean, it was wiped after all. Let's See if in File Explorer. Okay, so in File Explorer, Alright, so in File Explorer there are some shortcuts. I want to see what these actually lead to be honest. So these lead to like D drive, and these are like all copies. Cool. So we actually got this thing syncing, so I'm just gonna actually put a song on here. Okay, it's synced. I'm just gonna get the headphone jack and see if it actually pushes sound out of it. Thanks, laptop. I should have ejected it, but I don't care. I actually want to see if the lock switch actually first works. Oh, that's not good. It doesn't. So it should be locked. But I mean, nothing happens. I mean, I hear the clicker, and I think you can actually too, actually. And the clicker is on the headphone. Oh, I see why the lock switch doesn't work. The cable's fucked. Oh yeah, that's the buzzer right there. So the headphone jack should work. Should. I mean, as I already said, I have a replacement, so see, I'm just gonna get my aux cable. No. Oh no. Okay, so I got an aux cable. Oh. Okay. Just gonna plug it in. So yeah, I have put some music on here, so I don't know how many songs I actually put on here. 2. Amazing. See if it actually pushes sound out of it. Oh! It does, which is nice. Seems to be handling nice. I'll actually see if it can actually shuffle. No, not think. Shuffle. Okay. Can I? Okay, it shuffles. I only have 2 songs on here. I can't like that try to shuffle like the proper way, but it works. So yeah. Oh. So yeah, this thing works. But actually, there's one thing else that I want to actually try. And for that, I'm just gonna have to restart it first and go into debug mode. Yep. There we go. Oh, wait, no. Focus. Okay, menu. So it should be manual test. Okay. I want to go to I/O, hard drive, HDD smart data actually. Okay. So there are 7 reallocated. There are 0 pending, which is I don't know. Power on hours 27 and start stops 30. Or retract 6. I actually don't know what that is. So I mean, the hard drive should work. I don't know. I mean, it seems to be working right now. So okay. How am I gonna restart it actually? Okay. No. Power. No, reset. No, I said reset. Okay, there we go. There we go. So yeah, I got it. So yeah, I basically just bought like an actually, what is it? So yeah, I just bought myself an iPod for $35, and I'm happy. It's not in the best working order, but it's at least functional. I don't know how to put that. It works. The locker doesn't work though, like the lock switch. Not the end of the world. As I said, I can replace it. I also need to get like a new battery, and I'm actually gonna flash mob this in the future. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye.